Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by printing designs and cutting roughly around each image. This gets you into the flow fast. Once printed, apply a thin, even coat of a dry glue stick to the back if you used regular paper. This is your adhesive layer. Make sure to work from the center outward so the glue covers fully and avoids bubbles. Press the glued paper onto a backing sheet, then trim precisely with scissors or an X-Acto. This first step makes homemade stickers without tape possible and reliable. Once the basic sticker is cut, you need to seal and refine it so it holds up. Spray a light coat of clear acrylic or paint a thin layer of Mod Podge. The seal prevents moisture and helps the glue stay tacky longer. After seal drying, trim to final shape and round corners to stop lifting. If you want extra durability, press a clear packing film over the surface, smoothing from center to edge to remove air pockets. This converts your glued backing into a lasting stick. To finish, you reactivate and set the adhesive so the sticker bonds well. Heat the glue briefly with a hairdryer on low. This softens the glue and increases tack. Align the sticker, lay it down from one edge and burnish toward the other using a bone folder or your thumbnail to force out air. If an edge lifts later, make sure the surface is clean, add a thin additional glue layer under the peel, press and heat briefly again. This fixes most common lifting problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.